Hello and welcome back to another tips and tricks video from Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we're going to be looking at the POSCA paint marker pens and how to write on tyres. These are the POSCA paint marker pens from uni. These are part of the Mitsubishi group actually. I've got three of them here today. I've got white, which is the ultra fine nib, and then red and green, which is extra fine. It says this is 0.7 millimeters, and these are between 0.7 and 1 millimeter. I bought these from Hobbycraft, a shop in the UK, and they were £3 each. And one of the main reasons I bought these is for marking on things like the rubber tyres. So it's here, water-based paint marker, writes on wood, textile, cardboard, metal, glass, ceramics. Opaque matte finish, dries quickly. There's also extra instructions at posca.com, available in 16 colours. So the instructions: shake vigorously to get an even mix with the cap on, and then press the tip several times onto a sheet of paper to start the paint flowing. That'll be interesting to see how you realise the paint is flowing on white, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway. It's wrapped in this plastic. Okay. Now, I'll test it on here. Yeah, so there we are. It's now coming out. Now, one of the things I'm going to test it on today is I'm going to use this tyre here. This is from the Revell Shelby Cobra. And on the other side I used white acrylic paint and a toothpick, but I'm going to see if I can get a better result using this today. As you can see, you do need to be careful not to let it go into the gaps. Might also need like a toothpick, like this. Now that, for my first effort, is pretty good, I think. And actual fact, I think it looks better than the one I did before, definitely, but I could get even better at this, I think. It's a shame that it has gone in the middle of that O a little bit there, but maybe if I sanded that down really finely, but I'm pretty happy with that. The other thing you can do with this is that on a lot of sports car tyres, race car tyres, things like that, they do markings for the pit crew. So I've looked at some of the Bridgestones used by the Ferrari team, and they had markings on a bit like this. There you can see that goes on really nicely, and I can quite easily scratch that off if I wanted to. Pretty happy with that. All in all, I only use these a couple of times, but I can, yeah, definitely recommend them. So thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.